What up, what up? Welcome to Mr. Brown's class where there's no whining and no complaining. Today we're looking at the distributive property or expanding, right? So we're taking something that's multiplying, right? So we have one factor here multiplied towards something in parentheses. Now, we know that we cannot put x plus y together. Those are unlike terms. You know, we can put x plus x together, and that equals 2x. But if it's x plus y, those are two unlike terms, so we can't put those together. So when we're talking about using the distributive property in this case, do you see an equal sign? No. So we're just going to simplify. Simplify means to get as far as we possibly can, right? So the distributive property means that we can take and multiply the outside number to both of the inside numbers, or letters, variables in this case, right? So if we take 2 times x, we get 2x. And if we take 2 times y, we get 2y. Now again, this is as far as we can go because we can't add an x with a y. Even though that they have the same coefficient in front of them, we can't put x's and y's together. So that's simplified, right? So at this point, we're not getting a single answer. We're getting kind of ugly answers here, okay? If we take, in this case, we take 3 times 2x, right? 3 times 2x, we can do 3 times an unlike term, right? So this is going to be 3 times 2 is 6x. And then we take the 3 times 3. That's one thing that a lot of people forget is to multiply the second term, all right? So plus 9. So we multiply the outside term, right? And that's only if this number is right up against the parentheses. So we're multiplying here. Okay, let's try a couple other ones. Okay, so let's do 4 times 3 minus 4x. Pause it and see if you can do this one on your own. Okay, in this case, we take the 4 times the 3, which is 12. All right, now we have the minus, so that's going to come down. All right, here we had a plus. We are adding, so we brought down the, right? So this is going to be 12 minus 4 times 4x, which is going to be 16x. And again, that's your answer. All right, now we've also talked about if we have negative numbers. So let's say on the outside we have -2, and then on the inside we have x minus 3. All right, see if you can pause this and see what you get. All right, so we're going to take -2 times x. That's -2x. And we're going to bring down this minus sign. And we're going to take -2 times 3. So -2 times 3. That's a -6. But we've learned that, okay, through subtracting integers. If you haven't learned this, watch the video that I have up on subtracting integers. When we are subtracting, we take all subtraction and we change it to adding the opposite. So -2x plus a +6, which we just have to write, that's just adding a positive is same as adding 6. Okay, let me show you that one more time. So let's do -3. Let's do 2x And then let's have minus 4. Okay, so we take the negative 3 times 2x. That's the easy part. Negative 3 times a positive 2 is negative 6x. We bring down the minus. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. But like I said, negative 6 subtracting is the same as adding a positive. And adding a positive is the same as just adding. And again, that's as far as we can go. All right. If you have trouble with this part, okay, look up the videos that have talk about adding and subtracting integers. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe and like below, and remember to be more awesome.